4536 mile, and this is fuel, and time is 6:15. So 6:15. So this is Austin Airport, and I'm leaving the keys, noting time, mileage and fuel level. By the time you get out of the car and search for your stuff, there will be some Hertz professional who will just come and check. You can basically let her know that you have left the keys inside the car, note the time, mileage, and then you can leave. So this is Hertz. That's where the personal cars can wait. So as you can see, this is a personal car. Those are the people waiting for their relatives, and once you have returned, you can just walk along here. So this is about Hertz car return. Okay. Return. Okay, this I think is the long-term parking. So that's it. So whenever you return your car, make sure that you fill the fuel if you have not taken the fuel package. Otherwise you will be charged for $8 or $9 per gallon. Take care. Bye bye.